All right, so this is our 12.3 hands-on task. So for this one, you are going to get two trapezoids. So a trapezoid is a shape that has a set of parallel lines. So not two sets, just one set. So the other two lines are going to intersect eventually. So the top and the bottom you can see here are parallel. So you are going to get two that are identical. So what you need to do is you need to cut them out, and you need to try, and so this time all you're doing is cutting them out and you're not cutting anything else. So on the other ones, right, we've cut them, we cut the we cut the parallelogram to make a rectangle, we cut the parallelograms to make triangles. So this time we're not cutting anything except for just cutting out the shapes. And then, as always, you're going to throw your trash away and put your scissors away, because I am not your maid. You got it. Okay, so cut these out. You're going to have two identical trapezoids. If you stack them on top of each other, they are exactly the same here. So you can see that here. So, right, these are exactly the same. You're going to have two that are exactly the same as well. So now that you have your two identical parallelograms, I want you to grab two different colors and find matching sides of the trapezoids and just kind of highlight the matching sides the same colors. So if I do green on this shorter side here, then I'm going to match green here. And then if I color the bottom part, make that a little thicker. So if I color this bottom part blue, then I would color this matching one blue. So step 2, so after you have cut them out, you need to color the bases that are the same colors. So they're not all going to be the same. So you need two different colors. So coloring, right? The top's one color, the bottom's another color. Now your job is to try and make a parallelogram. So with these two shapes, so with the two trapezoids, you need to create a rectangle, or not a rectangle, a parallelogram. Okay, so see how you can turn these trapezoids into a parallelogram. Since that is a shape we know how to find the area of. So once you have done that, you're going to have a little assignment in Canvas that you have to type a little sentence, and you have to be able to tell me. So, right, when I do a parallelogram, that is base times height. So what happened to create the base of your new parallelogram that you made? So think about the colors that you made. Think about a parallelogram base is the entire thing. What do you need to do to create the base of your parallelogram with your trapezoids? You're going to type me out a sentence, then come and show me your little trapezoid that you turned into a parallelogram, and be able to tell me how did you turn it into a parallelogram, and how would you find the base of your new parallelogram? What do the colors have to do with this? So see if you can figure that out. If you need any help, let me know and we can talk about it.